recording? It's good?
Yeah.
Alright. So in the beginning we have this little alley with a speed bump and a cone chicane, and after that track is open. I would put gearbox in sport mode.
Oh.
Makes it better.
Better response.
Yes. And shifting points are fitting better to the track.
Oh, the car's stiff.
Yes. Upgraded suspension and brakes. And here we go. And you can accelerate faster if you want. In the beginning it's nothing really to take care of. And it's not a lot of traffic, so brilliant. Coming close to the inner curb and back to the right curb. We have traffic from behind, so we stay on the right for a bit. Oh. And then we are coming very close to the left, directly behind the barrier when we have space. So from the outside we turn in to the right, then turning over to the left. And we turn it tight to the right. And here we stay on the right side, accelerating out, staying close to the wall. And braking, turn left, and early open up using all the space to the outside to accelerate. And with the right kick we are dropping out. Then we stay on the right, there's traffic. Braking, turn in right, and straight line braking, and we turn in left, and now we have a double right-hander here that we can combine in one big angle, gently on the throttle already, and into the left, back to the right. Blue car next to us, so we stay on the right side and let him pass. Followed by another car. So coming back to the left when it's clear. And turn right. Wow, that's an expensive queue here.
Wow.
Into the left. And accelerating out, very good. We stay in the middle without braking, straight over the bridge. Over to the left, and now lifting the gas a bit, yeah, brake a bit, and then we turn in not too tight. We try to combine the double right-hander here in one big angle, and accelerating out, yes. You're good in the back? Over the bridge, press braking, and we turn into the inside, and we stick close to the inside. And from here, good braking, and a bit later in, coming all the way to the inside. Yeah, that's good. And open up, give him room to accelerate out, coming back to the right side, and turning in left. Straight between the curbs.
Hey, here comes the Fuchsröhre.
Yes. Bit of braking here. Brake a bit. Turn left.
Ooh.
Right. That's okay. Bit of braking, and we stay on the left side here. We have a faster car in the back, so we stay on the right side. Two cars. And from the outside, we are coming all the way to the inside. There's a bit more
let
traffic.
it pass.
Now it's clear, and we can accelerate out. And bit of brake. turn all the way in, keep the momentum, speed is good. Back to the outside, and a bit of braking, and then we go deep inside, following the inside curb. Open up, give him room. With the right kink, we are dropping out to the left side, going straight over the crest. And on the brakes, stay outside, and we go deep inside to the right. And open up to the outside, coming back to the right, down the hill we go. Bit of braking, turn it left, and then it's roughly a straight line, so we end up on the outside barrier. And a bit of braking, turn in, not too tight. It's a triple right-hander, and we can combine it in one steering angle. Stay on the left side here. And braking, turn right, and then we stay close to the left, close to the inside for the tight left-hander. And accelerating out to the left side. Still on the outside, and with the right kick we are coming back to the right. And straight line braking. We turn in, not too tight. We try to achieve a big angle for the double left-hander, using all the space to the outside. Yes, like this. Coming back to the inside, very good. Yeah, we have traffic. We stay on the right.
Oh,
It's already gone. And we accelerate. We stay on the right. Outside, and now we turn in and accelerating out, giving him space to the outside, and we are pushing up the hill. Very fast left-handers here. Stay on the outside here, and turn left and accelerate out. Stay on the left. And quick right-hander here. And we accelerate. Turn left. Back on throttle, using all the space to the outside. Coming back to the left side. Tap on the brakes, turn in, back to the outside, and straight line braking. Stay close to the inner curb here. Yes, that's good. And open up, give him space, accelerating out. Straight line braking.
carousel.
Yes, you stay inside. VW crew. Stay on the left, and a bit of braking, turn it right, and we go to the left, a bit of braking, turn it right, and a bit later in, double apex corner, into the right, open up left, accelerating down the hill. Short tap on the brakes, turn it right, stay on the right side here, open up in a straight line, and a bit of braking, turn it left, and we stay close to the left side, and braking, turn it right, famous YouTube corners. And braking, turning right. Stay on the right side here. Brakes a bit, turning left. And open up, we follow the curb to the right. Straight over the crest. Stay outside, turning in and straight line from here. Stay on the right, there's more traffic. Turning left, straight over the crest. Follow the inner curb, and from here it is one straight line. Stay on the left, aiming for the speaker pole on the left side, and braking outside, and all the way in. Back on throttle a bit, we stay on the right side. Yes. And turning left, and early open up, using all the space to the outside. On the brakes, going deep inside, on the inside here, and go. Stay, more traffic. Stay on the left side. It's a bit of braking, turning right, and coming back to the left side here. Going back into the right. And go from here. And you can slow down. Stay on the left.
Oh,
You're good?